This is another thing. Vulnerable when interest rate increase. What happened? Also, a lot of borrower don't really aware about it because most home loan in Malaysia are floating rate tied to overnight policy rate called OPR. Of course, there's different name. Depend on what you sign. There's a BR, SBR, IBR, right? So when Bank Negara say, oh, increase overnight policy rate, the bank will increase the lending rate. So your loan installment will what? Will go up. Okay, I give you more detail. This, a lot of people don't aware about this. Maybe you're aware lah, but not so clear. As I said, we learn again because our loan not paying 10 months. We are talking about 200-300 months. Some even 35 years going to pay 400 over month. Right? Okay, this is what I'm talking about. When the rate change set by Bank Negara, your loan repayment will also change. So what happened when interest rate change? When interest fluctuate, it will impact how much your money repayment going to principal or interest. Let me show you the animation so you have a clearer picture that what I'm sharing. When overnight policy change, you can see the gear are changing, of course affecting our interest payment. When your interest payment portion affecting, so what happened to your principal also affected? So finally, our repayment also affected. So this is important. As a borrower, we need to learn what it is all about. Not keep on paying and paying and paying. Right? Okay, very good. All right, stay with us. So, I'm not going to show you the last 20 years lah. Okay, I want to show you the last 5 years. Okay, you have time, you can go to the Bank Negara website to check. But I show you the overnight policy rate trend from 2020 to 2025, the last 5 years. What happened? You can see during the pandemic, 2020, the rate cut. They mean the rate reduced lah. Okay, held a record at low as 1.75 no, during pandemic time. After that, 2022 to 2023 gradually increased. Of course, this year, they got a bit cut back lah. Okay, but I show you the chart. This is the trend. Then you must know as a borrower, this is connected to how much you're going to pay. I show you shortly, you'll get a shock, man. Right? Okay, I show you now. You can see during 2020, the rate drop. The rate is 1.75. Be alert, those already paid 10 years, 15 years ago, the rate you sign is very, very high. But during 2020, the rate dropped as a history low. Please check what happened to your mortgage. Okay, but what happened? Slowly the rate increased back to 3% during 2023. I count now, everybody. Stay with me. First, one round increase. Second round, third round, fourth round, and fifth round. 5 kali lah sudah naik. So macam mana ni? Of course, it's affecting your loan. Because we never check. We don't have time to check. We keep on got time to make money. But where is our money? Of course, 2025 decreased to 2.75. Okay, so I give you a clearer picture. That's why I spent some time to do a chart for you already. So in this few minutes, you'll be understand what I wanted to share. Then why tonight you're here and listen? Do you have a solution? If no, we are very happy to help you. Right? We need to pay a higher money installment. What I mean? Even a small 0.25 or 0.5 interest increase, your monthly payment, you're going to pay 100 of ringgit. Example, half a million loan over 30 years, 0.5% increase, you need to pay additional about $140 a month. Aiyah, never mind lah, 140, friend. When you pay 140 a month, during the balance tenure, there is a lot of money. I give you an example. Okay. This is based on 400,000, 4.5% tenure 30 year. Look closely. Based on 4.5%, our total payment is 729,000 plus. The interest payment is 329,000 plus. When the rate increased 0.25, what happened? You can see your total payment sure increase lah, bro. Your interest payment increased by 21,000. That means we need to work harder or earn more commission just to pay the lender. How much? 0.25 increase, you need to pay 21,000. There's only one time. Just now is how many times I show you? 5 times. Now I show you if what happened. Another 0.25. You can see your total payment 773. Your interest payment 351 become 373. Increase 43,000. Only increase 0.5%. This is 400,000. No. If your loan is 4 million, what happened? You need to pay additional 400,000 plus lah. Depend on the tenor and the interest. All this will affecting the interest payment. Right? Okay. If interest increase 0.75, you can see very clearly what happened. We need to pay 65,000 additional, extra. So how now? Do we want to keep paying like this? Or you want to look for a solution? We are very happy to share. We already helped 10,000 of borrower. We want to help another one more of you. That's why you're here in front of the screen now to share what we have been educating the market for the last 17 years. Right? Thank you for staying with us.